Yeah, Gurmagod Ken Corla. Taoiseach, a commitment within the programme for government is the introduction of a statutory scheme in support of people to live in their own homes who will be provided with access to high quality regulated home care. I think the lack of home help support is adding to the chaos in some of our hospitals in rural areas due to the chronic shortage of millions of home help hours, meaning doctors are delaying discharge of vulnerable elderly patients. The issue here, Taoiseach, seems to be the lack of enticements for people to work in the area of home help. The people who currently work in the sector don't have pensionable occupations or proper rates of wages and regulation. It is now time for government to put home help on a statutory footing so that it is enshrined in legislation as a sector.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks very much, Deputy. As I know the Deputy will be aware, we're putting record amounts of money into home care at the moment, and the problem is no longer the money, it's finding staff that are willing to work in the area. We do have plans for a statutory home care scheme. We have opened up the work permit system for home carers to come in from abroad and work in home care in Ireland. We haven't yet seen the impact of that because it's a relatively new thing. But one thing I'm going to ask Minister Richmond and Minister Butler to examine is whether we should have an employment regulation order for home carers. We did it in childcare. It creates a salary scale, terms and conditions and benefits that have made childcare more attractive as a profession. Perhaps the same principle might apply in home care as well.